You see people they call Udogachi. What kind of people is that? Are they vigilante or are they the people to come and kill? Who is this? Who is the squad leader of those people? Are they she? What you go do? What you go do? They use gun to threaten the youth in Anambra State. Youth, let me tell you now one thing. All of una go buy alligator pepper, carry 4 seed, put for mouth. Mokuna see get weapon on una own. That day she mona spoil them. Put that 4 speed on the mouth. One and see say that they come on and chew man, pour out for their face. Anything on the knack for their body go enter. If na women, all those women, mona gather peace, mona peace. Now gather peace as they come pour them peace. That charm don't spoil.
Form vigilante. Make I tell you one thing. Fortify your vigilante. Prepare your vigilante. Make everybody secure themselves. Make everybody guide themselves. Make everybody protect themselves.
As far as you be Biafra, find something, join. If not vigilante, genuine one, no, nobody's on the key, their brother. If not genuine one, join her first. War they come. Boko Haram bandits, they don't training now in Cameroon.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, your location, and wherever you are watching us from. Today being 28 April 2026, we the team of Magnetic Jigs TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. First of all, Biafrans, what is happening in this video is Fulani herdsmen versus Amotekun. Amotekun, you know, all this kind of security they form in Yoruba to guide their forests, but they are not being empowered very well. In fact, the ESA and form are very, very strong. Now you can see what the Fulani herdsman did to one of the Amotekun. Emanandea na gba oke chọchọchọ ka ha dị n'ọnụ ka o si wee jiri mkpara o ji achụ efi wee kụwagodi ọnụ sef. Ọ dị ka ọ bụrụ onye Igbo na onye a ga-emewe onye Igbo ife a. Nah, guy, let me tell you guys, so Igbo sigike o. Igbo na real people in this world. That is why everybody Juena conspire against Igbo.
Greetings to all lovers of freedom. This is a quick message to all Biafrans, the warriors, the army, the air force, and the navy of Biafra. Let me tell you people what is going on right now. They are doing training in Cameroon right now. Bandits. So I'm talking to you. This country, so it will resolve war. I'm telling you people the truth. We are trying our best. People should try your best too. This country will dissolve war. And let me send message to the youth of Anambra State. You see people they call Udogachi. Udogachi, yes. Udogachi. People can they give them chance. All those people call themselves Udogachi, they come to destroy it. What kind of people is that? Are they vigilante or are they the people to come and kill? Who is this? Who is the squad leader of those people?
You can see that this Biafra Liberation Commander, Commander Holy Ghost Broda, has issued a warning telling us that na nkebo ogona bia na nkebo ogona bia na ndị Fulani herdsmen na-efo na ha no Cameroon na under training na aga unleash ha before election, that na everybody kwado ofuma otu obini gesi we kwado. However way that you are going to get prepared, make sure you prepared yourself. He even talked about Udogachi security, the way they are harassing people, you know. He's not happy with the way they are doing. He's even wondering if they are Igbos or what. Now he gave an idea on how to fight back to them if they try to intimidate you.
Let this poor leader use his brain. Governor of Anambra State, he will not live. He will not last for dear. He will not last forever. Whatever you do to your brother or to your sister, you will pay for it. No matter where you come from, whether from Enugu or from Imo or from Abao or from River State to come and join Udogachi, you must pay every single thing that you destroy or every single life that you kill. Or they she, where you go do, wanna go do. They use gun, they threaten the youth in Anambra State. All the name of say una they find money. All the name of say they give una small power. Because they operate. These are they destroy the innocent souls. These are they oppress people in the southeast. The youth. Youth, let me tell you now one thing. Any day we kuna ready for them. Una ready for them. We kuna all of una go buy alligator pepper. Mona all of una go buy alligator pepper. Carry 4 seed, put for mouth. Mo kuna see get weapon on una own. That day she mona spoil am. Put that 4 speed on the mouth. Mona see say that they come on and chew mouth. Pour out for their face. Anything on the knack for their body go enter. They not born their way. Anything where they pour for their body, it go enter. If na women, all those women, mona gather peace, mona peace. Now carry peace, as they come pour them peace. That charm don't spoil. Anything wanna knock them for body go enter. I swear. What they are not too much. What did they happen? They are not too much. And we all Biafrans, let us unite. Let us unite. This one go talk, go this side. This one go talk, go this side. Betrayers go to talk their own. This one go to talk, go their own. Like the one where they caught, they are just showing in social media. He says, Ngozi Arabese that send a message to carry police gun, to kill police, to kill army. Nobody send you message. Nobody send you message. You're on your own. Maybe na small change where they give you and make you they criticize your own brother and your own sister. That make because of small change where they'll give you now, you want to talk rubbish for social media, saying Ngozi Arabese. Where you know Ngozi Arabese? Have you met her before? Do you know the location where she come from? Have you ever called? Do you know her phone number? Now they talk with you and no guess, with you know your make sense. I think they talk and so everybody will know when maybe Biafra come. I give you from now to December and next year. Everything go end. Game go change. I tell you the truth. Biafra no made to kill. Biafra make to make peace. But if you say that peace, you no need, and I go see pieces. Some people they say Nnamdi Kanu go die. I see they talk and they go. Nothing go happen to Nnamdi Kanu. He go strong, come out. Nothing they do him. Some go say Nnamdi Kanu send message to from prison to people where they outside the world. My brother. Anybody where they talk that here, you know, get sense. How somebody will be in the prison, will send message, say go and send person message. That place na papa house. I been na mama house. If you come out from there, na bad thing. Now go there, come and say now the Kanu say make you sit at home on Monday, make it no hold. Make this one happen, make that one no happen. Na be total bloodly, witches and lizard. All the people where they fight against Biafra, where they fight against the Liberation Army of Biafra, I know all of una. Every single person will reap whatever he sow. I swear, he must surely reap it. You see this freedom, what will they fight? Is a scripture. We must walk into the shadow of death again and again to get a freedom. The youth of Biafra, we not let people put half on our eye. We cannot let people deceive you now. Make we unite. Make we become one and get what we want. Quickly. Sharp, we go get them. All this security all over the place that killing people. We could not know the door. Person go kill you. Who don't die, don't die. Oh. If you no fight for yourself, if they kill you, they don't kill you. I don't tell you what to do. If you like, no do it. And whatever state you are, let me tell you, give you a secret. Any state you dey, apart from any place where you dey, as far as you be Biafra, find something, join. If na vigilante, genuine one, oh, nobody doesn't want to kill their brother. If na genuine one, join her first. First join that one first. You understand? Not be say you just did the apartment, first join her for a reason purpose. War they come. Boko Haram bandits, they dey on training now in Cameroon. They dey underground training now in Cameroon, but they tell you now. Before next year now, before election, all of them go pass out. I'm telling you. They will pass out on November. They go pass out November. Now they will take come aside. Nigerian army want come out for their own training. Then they their own training. Combine them. Combine Nigerian army. Make you know what will happen. That's what they say. All the Easterner youth. Make una find something. Join. Make una dey unite. Make una no door. Make una no sleep. Even if though you travel, come up for that east, say they go Lagos. It go see affect you with the Lagos. And a there go worst pass. No matter where you, as far as say you dey Nigeria, you be Igbo, you be youth, my brother, come back home. This election not be for us, not be for Biafra. Now for them, wait there for selfishness of oil and gas and money. Make una no mind them. Make we fight this fight once and for all with peace and harmony. I'm telling you people the truth. Biafra no be child play something. I'm still they tell you now. I believe the God Almighty will surely see us through. He will fight for us, and he will defeat those who come to defeat us, and he will destroy those who come to destroy Biafra, and they will never live long. I'm telling you the truth. You see, most of the politicians, they go die before next year. Most of those who hate Biafra, they go die before next year. Make una dey watch. God no dey sleep. Who say God no dey exist? That person, you don't know wetin they talk. You don't know wetin they talk. My brother and sister in Biafra, make we unite. Make this one no talk go here, make this one no talk go here. Make we no hate ourselves. Make we no hate ourselves. Wetin happen for South Africa? Now unite, they take win their freedom. I know say Sabotua sit dey inside though, but inside 12 disciples, Sabotua must dey. But let our winning be our winning. I beg you all, in the name of God, make una ready. These things why they talk, no be child play. Now we go win this war. Now we go win this fight. Both spiritual, both physical, both documentation, both paper. Now we go still win them. No matter what. We are not made for bribe. We are not made to betray. We are not made to kill the innocents. Let us unite as one. All hail Biafra.
But here in this video as well, the dirty water, General Asabuja, is also saying the same thing, that we have to equip our security people, that we have to get prepared, because the way things are going, insecurity is becoming too much. It's becoming too much in this country. That people has to prepare themselves very well.
Some things. You see, when I wear garment, now touch things at the top, but this one now, I will touch plenty. One, I want to talk about the country. How the country they go. Make everybody secure themselves. Make everybody guide themselves. Make everybody protect themselves. Community, CDC chairman, youth president, chief, Eze, Majesty, Royal Highness, youth, make an form vigilante for all your community. No be bad vigilante, good vigilante to support the community, to help the community. Because we don't know the plan of evil people. We don't know the plan of bad people. Form vigilante. Make a tell on one thing. Fortify your vigilante. Prepare your vigilante. Cook them. Cook them spiritual. Cook them physical. Cook them with holy water. Cook them with 40 days and 40 nights water. Cook them with concentrated water. Cook them with incense and candle. Cook them with any way one and those that will cook them. Prepare them. Empower them. Spiritual and physical. Empower them. Because the fight we see in Nigeria today, spiritual full on. Even police when they come, uniform people get them. Uniform people don't tie, prepare themselves. Some uniform people go see them with their ring. You go see where they tie for waist. You go see where they tie for hand. Uniform people. You will be vigilante. Even the worst part, armed robber self they tie. Somebody will come thief. You don't see bandits, Boko Haram, with their juju everywhere that they tie. Now you will not go prepare yourself. If you know the way to prepare yourself, prepare. The same thing I lecture my boys. If you come with arm, they go collect them from her, disarm you. We need the thief. If you come with arm, they go collect them. They will disarm you. My own boys, my own soldier, then they prepare day and night because we don't know what thing they happen. Honorable member, they face politics. Politicians, they don't send for anybody. Simply to people they die, they don't send, they don't care. They don't send, they don't care. I beg everybody. Security, insecurity, not too much. Some good governors make us help us. Some good local government chairmen make us help us for security. Local government chairmen, governors make us help for all the states. The thing not too much. Killing not too much. And these days, robbery, kidnapping don't decrease, they don't they come up. Stealing don't they come up because of poverty, because of hardship. So everybody be vigilant. I beg and they beg. Be vigilant. The honorable member no send for us, so guide yourself. Be your brother's keeper. Protect yourself. Make we to where they sleep, make we help vigilante. You there your house they sleep. You there your house they sleep. People there outside they guide, they secure, and you there they help. You there they contribute. You good? You there your house they sleep well. Under rain and sun and midnight and cold and mosquito. People they guide, they work out, they guide, they secure. You know they say you go support them, you go empower them. Make we support security. Make we support vigilante. Make we support watch night, watch day. E good, I beg. E good. That side they don't pass. Let's go to government side. And election, anybody will not say he go come out for politics. Prepare yourself. Hold your money. Because APC don't ready. Ahmed Tinubu don't ready. You know say they contest for anything. Prepare yourself. No just come deceive people. If you know say you know this, you know come out. You know say your heart you know this, you know come out. If you want come out for politics ready, prepare say they come out for politics. You see,
Madam Ngozi Arabeze issued a warning to Lolo Chimezie, and also this our mommy here also issued a very strong warning to Lolo Chimezie as well, that she has to restrain from all the things she's doing, talking about Mazen Nandeka, talking about Biafra. Just listen to them and hear what they said.
There is this woman, I don't know her name, that keep making noise on the social media, trying to say Neka Chumezi or whatever, and her groups. Biafran, these are just distractions from the Nigeria state. Nobody should pay attention to these people. This woman, I don't know what her task is, where she's coming from. I don't pay any attention to her. I think she's still dwelling in the state of organization that the IPOB DSS has taken over. Anyone that knows this woman, let her know that the United States of Biafra is a nation that was declared after a self-referendum where over 50 million Biafrans voted to exit Nigeria. And we converged in Latin Finland to declare our independence with over 500 signatures that appended their signature to exit Nigeria. Tell this woman, Neka Chimeze, I don't know her level of education, but I believe that ignorance and illiteracy has been one of the biggest problems in Biafra restoration in the past. But I'm very, very glad the United States of Biafra has stopped that ignorance and that illiteracy. So let her go back to school and read about the declarations of countries to become independent. Let her know that we, the United States of Biafra, we are a nation. I don't know who is sending her, but whoever is sending her, my advice to Neka Chimeze is that you must stop the distraction. You're disturbing innocent people. You're disturbing people that are very, very busy with the task of Biafra restoration. You should stop. you must stop. Don't put yourself into unnecessary problem. If you are confused, you should call and ask questions, and I'm open to answer your questions.
Please share this video to reach Nekachimizi. It seems like she is a distraction to indigenous people of Biafra.
Neka, the pig knows. See, woman knows. But look your own. Your own go like this. Come cough, come like this. Like pig own. Neka, I want to address you as a woman that I am. Not just a woman, a married woman. I know what it is to have a husband. And then, if eventually all this blackmailing you people are carrying out, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has children in Kenya, sleeping with women, yes, I will understand the position of his wife. Trying to merge or to play cool with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's enemy. So you thinking that you can use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife to convince Biafrans, you are failed woefully. Okay? People, other Biafrans like me, we heard Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's voice, not his wife. Whatever problem he has with his wife, it's their private life. It has nothing to do with the restoration of Biafra. So you cannot use Mazi's wife to convince someone like me. You are in for a joke. All those things you are doing, you know you are using DOS and their ERATs and their likes to build your platform. You are not an IPOB member, right? You don't pay their monthly dues. You don't contribute anything. You are using them to build your platform. Now, dragging our leader's wife into this issue is the worst thing you have done, because we know what is happening. We know. You can bring her. The public may not be aware of what is happening, but there are some of us who know what is happening between Mazi and his wife. It has nothing to do with the struggle. Do you understand? There are millions and millions of couples who have broken up. They have divorced. They have separated. Is that supposed to be your problem? So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his wife, whatever may be their problem, if they have separated or not, or if they are still together, it is not our problem. Our problem is this, in case you don't know. We heard the voice of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we are still hearing that voice today because he has not compromised. Whatever relationship you have with his wife is your cup of tea. You understand? It's your cup of tea. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife cannot convince me to start attacking her husband. No matter what happened between her and her husband, for her to be merging or romancing the enemies of her husband, she should ask herself a question. I am not here to judge her, but what I'm here to say is this: no matter the problem I have with my husband, the last thing I will do is not just a husband. He is the father of her children. No matter the problem I will have with my husband, the father of my children, I will never make his enemies my best friends. I will never do that. There is a message in this, what I just said now. So you, Neka, the pig nose, I've told you before, we will drag you on this social media. After Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife, who else are you going to use? The children? Maybe you will go and get the children to back yourself up. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife is supposed to make peace with her husband's family, not the DOS. The DOS. Now, I want to even drop this. Let me drop this bomb. Chinasa Nworu came out and said that Mazi, for 4 to 5 years, Mazi has been threatening to buy him, to kill him. Is it this same Chinasa Nworu that have refused Mazi to come out because he's afraid that if Mazi comes out, it's going to kill him? Is it the same Chinasa Nworu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife is working with? So does it mean that somebody that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have by himself sacked, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife will continue to work with that person, and you think I will accept that? No. The choice is yours, and the choice is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife's own. It has nothing to do with us, Biafrans. It is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is our concern, is our priority, and Biafra restoration. Any other person, Chika Edoziem, Chinasa Nworu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife, or whatever, is none of our business. We don't look at them. We don't see them. We are not errats. We are not inferiority complex. We are not, hero worshippers. We have only one hero. It's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Okay? So, Nneka, you have failed woefully. You don't understand what we're telling you. We are just telling you that the man you have tempered with is a no-go area. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a no-go area. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will bring you down. His name that you are dragging on this social media, you are going down. Forget whatever his wife, the circulating his wife picture. Do you think we care about his wife? We don't care. We only care about his wife if she cares about her husband. The moment she starts working against her husband by conniving with those that hated her husband, with those that does not want her husband to come out, I don't care about her. I will be the last person to come out to insult her, to drag her. I will never do that. But what I'm telling you here is that whatever relationship you have with his wife is none of our business. It's none of our business. You are even giving us more reason to validate certain things. You, Nneka, you don't know. Drag her out. You are the one dragging that woman out. So let me tell you. You see, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a no-go. He's untouchable because, do you know why? He is the only one doing what a true freedom-fighting leader should do. He's right there in jail for the sake of his generation unborn, and for his own sake, and for you and I. Do you understand? Every other persons are, some are in Kuwait, some are in Austria, some are in Switzerland, claiming to be leaders. They don't know what leadership is all about. They are there to bring division. They are there to castigate. They are there to gossip. They are there to be buying houses, buying offices everywhere in Europe, just like Nigerian pastors are doing. Building churches upon churches while their members are suffering. The same attitude the leadership, the DOS are exhibiting today. So, Nneka, you are a complete pig-nosed failed woman. Your mission is failed and dead on arrival. We don't have your time. Go and drag Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife out. It's your cup of tea. If you like, drag his children. It's your cup of tea. The only man that I heard his voice is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I challenge you to challenge Nigeria government for the Fulani, 730-something Fulani, Boko Haram.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.